Hello everybody, this is the unboxing of this SmallRig Clamp mount with 1¼ screw ball. So I got this so that I can use it to do some overhead shots and just clamp it to either a stand or an edge of a table. So let's see how this looks like. Box it here. I'll also show you how I am actually currently doing it. So my setup is pretty straightforward. Here's the package. Comes with hex bar, some, don't know what that is. Okay, so here's the clamp. Feels really heavy and solid. So you just twist this. You just clamp it to something, could be the edge of a table. So I'm just gonna try to see kind of movement. So you can actually get this without this top part. You just get the clamp, this. But I thought I might as well get this top part as well. Only costed a few dollars. So I'm just going to try clamping it on something. So I've got this microphone stand. So I'm also thinking maybe I can use this microphone stand to clamp to. So let me show you how this looks like. I'm just going to move it up here. So that's the microphone stand. Just thinking maybe I can just clamp it here. So yeah, feels pretty solid. I don't want to make it too tight. And then just use this as my overhead shot video. Seems to be okay. So let me try that. I'm going to stop the video and then try to do to attach the camera to the clamp. So I'm recording now using the camera attached to the clamp, which is attached to the microphone stand, which is pretty good setup. I can move the stand up and down. Seems to do the job. So I think this clamp is pretty useful. So as I said, it's the SmallRig Clamp mount. I'll put a link in the description. And if you want to go check it out, yeah, go buy one.